Why is International Hairlines Academy different? Well, for one, we accept students with zero experience or those that have some experience, whether it be in permanent makeup, traditional tattooing, or even from an aesthetics or skincare background, or even cosmetologists. For those without experience, they have the option of completing a prerequisite online training before coming into class that will cover a lot of the theory, a lot of the background, etc., so that they can catch up with their fellow students. Number two, the small class sizes. We limit our classes to up to 6 students only. That way it ensures we have very hands-on, individualized, one-on-one attention with each and every student. Each student spends hours on live models while they're here. It is very intensive. You need to be very focused, and don't be surprised if your hands are sore at the end of the class. Number 3, our students get unlimited access to the academy even after completing the training. So our doors are always open. We like to see our students succeed. So we'll hold your hands, whether it be for 2 weeks after training or 2 years after training. And last but not least, what makes International Hairlines Academy different is it gives you the opportunity to become an affiliate of International Hairlines, i.e. using our branding. Not only do you get training support, you also get marketing and business development support to help you expand your business. For more information about scalp micropigmentation and International Hairlines, go to internationalhairlines.com and make sure to click the subscribe button to follow us for more tips and tricks about scalp micropigmentation.